Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about worksheet number 8, grade 7 English. The topic name is music and musician. Here is multiple instruments. So look at question, match the names with the musical instruments. So Mia Shokat Hussain, Sharif Khan Punchewala, Akmal Qadri, Ustad Rais Ahmad Khan, Khamiso Khan. So who was Mia Shokat Hussain? Mia Shokat Hussain was a Pakistani tabla player who was belonged to the Punjab Gharana of tabla playing music artist. He was the great artist. So second is Sharif Khan Punchewala. Sharif Khan Punchewala born in 1926, so died in 1980. So known as Ustad Sharif Khan was a classical player of sitar, vichtara, veena and razabin in the Hindustani classical music tradition. So third is Akmal Qadri. Who was Akmal Qadri? Akmal Qadri is an eminent flautist who was win the hearts of millions with his brilliant performance of classical and modern music. With his powerful breath control, he makes everything from vigorous thundering tone to light, bird-like and quiet.